Today, I'll be showing you a beautiful destination, a hidden treasure, and it's inside Istanbul. Today, we will be going to Şile. In this video, I'll try to show you the beauty of Şile. If you want to know where it is located, here you can see the middle of Istanbul, and there is Şile. It can take 1 hour to 2 hours driving by car, or about 3 hours by bus.
احنا هنشوف وطبعا في خلال الطريق هنوريكم يعني ايه الشيء.
It's not just the beauty of Şile itself, but also the road that takes you to there. The road is full of greens, forests everywhere. In the beginning of our trip, there was a lot of fog,
يعني احنا مش شايفين اللي الكاميرا شايفاه
and
حرفيا.
it was hard to see the road.
العربية تروح تختفي بس انا شايفه في الكاميرا هنا.
In the middle of the road, we couldn't stop ourselves from taking some photos, so we parked on the street side and we started to take some photos and videos.
احنا في نص الطريق يا جماعة، وقفنا عشان نصور كام شوت كده بالدرون. هناخد كام شوت وهنوريكم دلوقتي هنعمل ايه. هنعمل عظمة من الآخر.
صوت العصافير
لأن احنا بتوع العظمة، صوت العصافير يجنن. مفيش بني آدمين، عربية بس واحدة جاية، أول عربية نشوفها في الطريق.
to the Sahel. We are going to the seaside. We are now in the middle of Şile. This is how it looks.
Seeing the buildings in the middle of the green areas was just so relaxing to the eye. We've stayed there for 8 hours. We just enjoyed the view and the beauty of nature. The road to Şile is hard to drive at night. So, as it started raining, it was hard to stay any longer.
It's raining, so rainy, and it will stay like that for today and tomorrow. So we have to figure something out.
like that yesterday.
Yeah, the other apps yesterday it said that it will just rain tomorrow at night. So it changed.
Survivors! We are survivors! I'm joking, we will go back.
Now voting. Shall we go to Istanbul?
Yeah!
Shall we go to Istanbul, Galal?
Şile is really a hidden gem.